Serwah is originally from Supomudumpa in the Western region. She is currently pursuing her MPhil degree in art education at the University of Education, Winneba. Among her interests are a deep love for music and an adventurous spirit to explore new experiences.
Yawazo yara soko. Yawazo ya soko. Ah. I hope I bro. My name is Serwah Anokwas. You come have a seminar or what means him, and I'll be your tour guide this evening. But before then, let me welcome you all to the southwestern part of Ghana, with secondly Takrady as our capital, to the land of gold and oil, has nurtured the hunters, the enzimers, the wasa, just to mention a few, and gave birth to Ghana's first president, Mr. Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Share Mobonito. I know you are here for culture and tourism, and the best is assured in the West. You may have heard of our Kundum Dance and Festival, then Zulenzu, the Crocodile Pond, among others. You will experience that later. But in there, I'm taking you all the way to Supomudumpa to experience the Nkrono Festival. To practice the Abuyo dance, where the hands is lifted up to thank God Almighty and brought down to thank the gods of the land. Princess Town. There you witness the Ehunle Lagoon. The only lagoon that can provide you food if you profess your hunger or your true men that out. Na Marian Edamno, na mama wa check a B. Me de pay our nation. Moo, ne perform from Nachinama. Me da pay wodo, nedo. Men try. You see, your week store will be so interesting with me as I unfold so many hidden treasures in the west side. But before I go, I'll leave you with our popular Kundum dance in Imsawa. Shona yen sawa. Oh, Ebusiafo, number one, thank you.
Banga wego.